Okay, so let's pick it up where we left off. Now it's not as hard as it sounds. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to themes. Then we're going to go to editor. Okay, and then it automatically brings us into CSS. Now, we already have on our own computer a copy of this. We have our WordPress file, so if we mess it up, we can just re-upload it. If we go into WordPress directory, and then we go into WP content and themes, and we're using 2013, you'll see that we have our style.css is in here, down here. So we could always restore it if we mess it up. We just have to re-upload that one file and it'll go back to the way it was. So you don't have to worry too much about messing it up because you can always put it back the way it was. Okay, now along the right side here, you can see the different parts of the style sheet. Style sheet's what creates the colors and the layout. Okay, now when we roll down here, you see that we have a table of contents, and this shows us all the different parts in here. So what we're looking for is navigation. Okay, so it says 4.2 navigation. Okay, so I rolled down until I found nav bar here. It's a little ways down. You'll see here's our background color. If we take this and paste it into a color picker, this is the color, and this is this color here. So what we want to do is change that. Now you can download a tool that will show you the color of an item, okay? And I've given you the link to that here. So if I click pick color here, and I place that in here, it gives me the hex code for that, okay? So I can just copy this, and then I can go back over here, and I can paste it right here. So I'll paste it right over top of what was there. Okay, and now I'm going to save or update. Okay, now let's refresh. Okay, so there is our nav bar. Now you see that the links are hard to see unless we put our mouse on them. Okay, now we can also change the color of this too. This would be our hover color, but I think it's fine like that. So let's go back here now, and now we need to go back to the links. So it's the li. Let's go, I'll just find it here. Okay, so here's where we first came into it, and then down here, you'll see nav menu, and then we have color. So let's put this into our color chart here, and it should be a black color. So I'll paste it in here. Okay, so now what we want to do is change that to a different color. So what should we do here? We could change it to just white if we want. Okay, so I'm just going to put white is # FFFFFF. Let's save or update. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, now it looks like after we've clicked them, the one we're clicked on goes to the dark color. Okay, so we could change that too if we wanted to. We could make it a yellow color or something like that. So let's go back. Okay, so just underneath that block, you'll see we have hover, and then we have focus. Okay, and the background color on the focus. So that would be the color when you go over top of it. Okay, so a little further down, we have the current page item, and then we have this color, and that color is this, and that's the color that we see when we have clicked on the link, okay, or when we're on that particular link. So let's change that. Let's go back and have a look at our site here. Okay, so let's change that to a different color. We could put it as white if we wanted, but let's make it a little bit different. Maybe let's make it a yellow color. Well, I'll just go back to paint.net here, and we'll just go to the color wheel, and let's go with that one. And then you'll see the hex color in here somewhere. Here it is. So let's copy that back over here, and we'll go over top of this, paste it there, and update. Okay, let's refresh our page. Okay, and now you see that switch to a yellow color when we click on it. Okay, so that's how you change a color. That's still not very visible. So let's make it a little bit brighter. And try that one. You get the idea. This is how you change the colors. Okay, so we'll do copy. And we'll go back and we'll change this one. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, that's a little easier to see now. Okay, we just about got it. We just need to change the footer down here, and we got it all set up. So let's go and have a look at our mobile site now from our mobile phone. Okay, so all we got to do is change the bottom here, and we have our site completed. Okay, so now it's time to do the footer. So back into our CSS, and you look way down here, see 7.0 is footer. So obviously that's going to be near the end, so let's roll down there. Okay, so here we are down at the footer section, 7, background color. So there's our background color. So we want to make the background color the same as we made the other one. So copy this, and then we'll paste it in here. Okay, now this color is the text color. So we could change that as well. If we wanted to make it white, we could do that. So let's just do that. So it's F, 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 F. And then down here we have the link color. So when you see an A like that, that's the link. So I'm also going to make the link white. There we go. update. And let's go back here and refresh. Okay, and so you see now our color match is here and our link color is white, so we can see it well. Back to the mobile site. Let's check out that it looks the same. Bring this up a little here. Okay, and there it is. And there you are. You've now created a customized responsive site using all free tools, specifically WordPress, a little bit of know-how, some free themes, and your site is all designed.